Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tamika. Hello gorgeous. All right, it's been a minute. Your girl has been chilling, having fun, relaxing, chilling, rearranging, doing a whole lot of things. So today's video, I am going to be unboxing my walking pad that I bought from Amazon. I bought it on Black Friday. This was around Thanksgiving time, so this video is a month old. All right, so just bear with me as my tootie is in your face, but we are going to unbox this. I cannot tell you how excited I am about this purchase. This was my Christmas gift to myself. So let's get the unboxing and test this a walking pad. I'm about to say iPad. Let's test this walking pad out, okay? All right, so if you're wondering how much this costs, I did catch it on sale for about 20% off, but the original price was 180 something dollars or maybe 90, but I got it for 160. So it was around that price range. It did take 2 days, so I ordered on Friday, Black Friday, and I got it Monday evening time, so around 8 o'clock at night. Now, I make this machine look very light, but actually it is heavy, okay? It is a little heavy. It does have little rollers at the bottom, at the head of the board of the walking pad. So how I was carrying it is not how you should be carrying it. You should be allowing the wheels to move on the floor and how you maneuver it around. You should not be picking that up. And the next day, I must say that my upper shoulders and neck was hurting for 2 days because of the way I was carrying it. So that's just a heads up. Please don't try to be Superwoman. It does come with a remote and some instructions. There's really nothing to try to fix or, hook up. It did come with the spray and some little tools just in case, like if you need to adjust the belt, if it comes loose, whatnot. But girl, I transfer this thing to my room, to the kitchen, in the living room. I do all of that. So yeah, again, see right there, the little rollers are at the head of the thing. So all you got to do is just plug it in, and you'll see that I'm going to show you a little bit later, a little switch that you turn on and off, and then you just use the remote. Now there is an app that you can use to control the device, but I don't want to download anything. I just prefer to use the actual remote. Just keep it in the nearby place where you remember, and that's it. All right, so this thing does come in different colors. I chose white because it was just cute. I think there was a black one, and I decided not to get that one, of course. This speed does go up to 3.9. There are others that go up to that goes up to 4.0, but because I wanted this fast and I wanted it to be in a price range that I felt comfortable, so this is the reason why I went on ahead and went with it. So London is testing it out. So she saw that I had it and she just wanted to test it out first. So I just let her do so. So here I am actually working out in the kitchen. Okay, so loud. I'm working out in the kitchen, and girl, it is so amazing because if you don't remember, I have stated before that I don't really like to work out in the mornings, but I try my hardest to be consistent with working out, but I prefer to work out in the evening time. And I did not want to do like a Grow with Joe video or whatnot. And there's nothing wrong with Grow with Joe, but sometimes I don't want to do like an aerobic exercise. I just want to do a casual walk. And I'm not going to walk outside at 5 in the morning. So this is what I like about this walking pad. It's so convenient, and I can walk inside. As you see, I close my ring at 6 something in the morning. It's just like a casual like walk if I want to. I did jog on this now. Now, if you go to 3.9, you will be speed walking, but you might as well just jog because it's kind of hard to keep up if you're just going to do a really, really fast-paced walk. No, just go ahead and do a light jog and you're good. In the next clip, you're probably going to see me in my ankle weights. So if I want to take it up a notch, I can do that as well. Also, there are other walking pads where there is like an incline, but of course that is more money. That's around the 280 something range. So of course I decided against that. I'm going to chill with my walking pad here that goes up to 3.9, and I just keep it in my room to do my walking. I don't even take it in the front room anymore unless I really want to. I do have flat carpet. I don't have like that ruffle carpet, so I'm able to just do that on my flat carpet, and boom, and it's just fine. It works well. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and hopefully you'll get you a walking pad if you don't already have one. So make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel for more videos. And you see, I'm just watching TV on my walking pad, chilling, getting my steps in. And I really enjoy it. I really do. So, girl, thank you again, and give this video a thumbs up. Goodbye, gorgeous.